Hello everyone, this is Lady T. It's my guest bathroom summer refresh. I'm sharing with you the before and the after. So you gotta stay tuned if you like to see the reveal. So folks, I just want to say I'm almost embarrassed to say that I still have my Christmas decor up. And really is coming around the corner soon. But I love this color, and so I decided to keep it. And I don't use this bathroom that often, and we haven't had much guests. So it was not a priority for me to change it quickly after the holidays. But I just also wanted to share with you the refresh and the changes that I'm going to do in this bathroom very quickly. And it's not a lot, but I'm just changing the color theme. And I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm just going to show you exactly what I did and share with you some of the items that I purchased. And also I'll be letting you know where I got them from, okay? So I hope that you will enjoy this video. And I'm going to stop talking. Enjoy! a few things, and it did not break the bank. I love that idea. And so if you are enjoying this video, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what was your best part. And also, I would love if you would share and give me a thumbs up. I enjoy decorating, and thank you so much for joining me on today. Have a great week, everyone. God bless.